I'm also really thankful just for the atmosphere that Lamar provides because I've met my best friends here and they're going to be lifelong friends.
It's easy to make friends that are related to your major, so you have a lot of things in common with those people.
That's what drew me here to Lamar University, getting a scholarship, but it was the faculty that made me stay or made me want to stay here at Lamar.
My years here, I've come across some very great professors that actually knew my name.
I'm able to talk to teachers who are actually living out real life experiences and who are doing something in my field or in my community. Him giving me contacts in the real world has helped me as well.
And definitely I'm thankful for all the opportunities that I've gotten. For example, I got to go and study abroad, which was an awesome, amazing experience. And everything about Lamar University has really helped me and grown me as a person.
I love Lamar's beautiful big campus dorm rooms.
Having your own room and like apartment style rooms and everything, that's awesome, having your own space.
Being able to come to an excellent school, get a great education. It's given me a lot of opportunities to be involved on the campus with different organizations like my fraternity and in the Honors College. Ultimately, it's helped me become a better and more successful leader for my future.
And the accessibility I have to go talk to the dean and sometimes even the president of the university, they take an interest in what you have to say, in what you want to do, because they want to engage the students. They want to know how to make the student experience better. Really having that opportunity have made me feel like a valued member of the Lamar community.